everybody. You aren't going to believe this one. This is a 1987 Toyota Land Cruiser. At least that's what it says on the thing that I have. It is not restored. It is used. You can see from little things like this. But it is a Toyota Land Cruiser, and it's running really good. You can hear it running. You can see the radio is replaced. It is a stick shift. There's the shift knob. And then there's the other heater and other buttons and stuff. Has 142,000 miles on it. We've done about $3,000 worth of work to it. It's a stick shift, as I mentioned. It has been repainted in the past, and some of that paint is peeling. There is some rust on the body. I just think this is one of those vehicles that certain people are gonna want, and I would put this at about a like a C- condition. It runs great, but obviously it's 40 or darn near 30 years old, so it's got those kind of things worn on it. But okay, so here's the rust, right? And that's in a couple of places, but it's certainly not rusted out. It's just got some rust. This is the kind of vehicle that you either want it for its collector value and use value, or you want to completely tear it down and restore it. But I am offering it for a good price. For anybody who wants to come check it out, you can check out all the mechanics and everything. And we will talk turkey. Just come check it out. It's a rare bird, hard to find at Snowy Mountain Motors.